Hello. Hi. Bago ko simulan ang aking YouTube, I want to tell you about myself. I really like video games. I play piano, classical piano. This channel's about bullshit shits, boy. Kahit ano. That's very cringe for me because I don't really do talking and shit. I don't like talk to a camera, to a person or something. I guess nawawalan yung hiya ko kapag hindi ko kausap sa personal yung kinakausap ko. This channel is about being yourself or something. Ooh, it goes. Bro, I was really inspired by this channel sa UK. Kasi yung mga titles niya, The Art of Unemployment. The Art of Unemployment. I have two brothers. One brother is in Hong Kong. The other is here. They're very successful. And I'm not. That's it, mate. Thank you for watching. Or there's someone who's watching or some shit.